What is going on, guys? Justin or OVO update back again with another video, and today guys we're going to be going over my Ovo Woolrich collection. But before we get into that good stuff, I need you to comment, like, and subscribe. So for those of you who don't know, Woolrich is a brand from Pennsylvania, USA, and they're known for making jackets, blankets, pillows, and other household items.
Boring!
Now, Ovo's been working with Woolrich since 2016 when they first dropped the original monogram blanket, which I'm grateful enough to have in my collection. It is definitely one of the most rare pieces from the entire Woolrich collection. So it all started in 2016 when they dropped this monogram blanket right here. As you guys can see, black and gold on the front, and on the reverse side we have the flipped colorway. So you can see that right there, the flip side and the OG side. Sorry, there's a bit of stuff on my blanket because I do use it. But this blanket was released in 2016 for $220. I know you guys are thinking $220 for a blanket, but the key factor is it is a Woolrich blanket. They are not cheap at all. Made in Pennsylvania, USA, not China. So you guys know you're getting that good quality. Just take a look at this tag right here. As you can see, we got the owl, we got the Woolrich logo, as well as the Made in Pennsylvania logo. So believe it or not, they actually restocked this blanket at Yorkdale, I want to say a few months after they opened, and redid the blankets with another drop at Yorkdale and online, and it sold out super fast. I remember people were selling these blankets like hotcakes because everyone wanted to have their hands on an Ovo Woolrich. And at the time, this was actually the only piece in the Woolrich collection. So there wasn't any options on what you could get or what you couldn't get. This was the one. Now later on, Ovo also did collaborate with Woolrich on two jackets. We have the blue one and the red one, which you guys can see on screen. Those are as well awesome pieces. I know a few of you guys actually managed to grab it from the warehouse sale, which is crazy. So shout out to you guys. You probably got that for around $200, which is a crazy steal. But anyways, back to my pieces. We have the blanket, $220. Honestly, I think this is a good price for the blanket. Super thick, good quality. As you can see, the dimensions are 46 by 68 inches, 95% wool and 5% nylon. So this is a wool blanket, super warm. Honestly, I can't hold this for much longer because I'm about to overheat. Before I put this blanket away, I want to give a shout out to Remixed by Tal. That's, I'm pretty sure, her name. She did a customized Ovo bear with this material for Ovo Mark. You guys can see that on screen right now. The piece is super sick, and I hope she does collab with Welcome Ovo and actually drops those bears. If she wants to do this blanket into a bear, I would gladly send it her way. Now, DS prices for this blanket, I want to say, are going around, honestly, if I see one for sale, they're going for around $400 dead stock. They do come with a tag. This is what the tag looks like. Same logo that's on the blanket, Woolrich in collaboration with Welcome Ovo. Super dope tag. But again, if you guys do see them on the resale market, they are going for a pretty penny. Next up, guys, switching it up, we have the pillow. So this is the Arabic pillow, the first ever Ovo pillow with Woolrich. So it was a mandatory cop. This one was $98 and did sell out, I want to say, within the first 24 hours, 48 hours. It did take quite a bit to sell out, but the blanket that actually dropped with this sold out even faster. I want to say less than 10 hours, the blanket was sold out. So this was the next drop later on. It came with the pillow, and it did come with the blanket in this style, as well as an OG owl blanket, which I do have coming up next. It is a very good quality. As you can see, we got the same tag on the bottom. Do really wish they had the OG owl pillow instead of this Arabic logo, but honestly, I don't mind this one because I did want something from the Arabic collection. Alright guys, last but not least, we have the OG owl Woolrich blanket. This is the same length, same dimensions as the first one that I showed you, except with the OG owl. So Honestly, I like the other one a bit more just because the monogram is way more classy and looks a lot better in the living space. This one is a lot louder. But again, guys, anything with the owl, the OG owl, you can't go wrong as well. Super good quality, same material as the first blanket, but surprisingly on this release they only charged $198 for the blanket instead of $220. Not too sure why, but definitely can't complain. $20 cheaper, so that $20 does save us just a bit. Guys, let me know which blanket you like more, the OG owl or the monogram. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are gonna say the monogram just because the pom-pom monogram logo is timeless, just because this one is a bit more rare and limited. Other than this one was actually at the warehouse sale. I got it for $100, so 50% off. That was definitely a mandatory pickup from the warehouse sale. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Let me know what pieces you have from the Ovo Woolrich collection in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. Road to 2,000 subscribers is on the way. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.